Christopher, you sure do love yourself, huh? Come around with a picture of yourself in the back seat.
Yeah, just letting people know that dude's a cool dude.
Yeah.
Love hanging with him. You post that on the internet, oh, you're still filming? Oh. Alright, we're on our way to Borla Exhaust. Got ourselves a 3-hour drive through LA traffic. Woo whoop! Team bonding here. But yeah, we're going, we got the all-wheel drive trophy truck, and they're gonna put a Borla exhaust on the back, so I'm excited. We've been in the works on this for a little, so now the time has finally come. I feel bad, we're showing up with a really dirty, beat up truck, but. For R&D. Too, it doesn't have park yet.
Alright, we'll put blocks.
Both like it's not gonna roll anymore.
Yeah.
No park.
We'll show you what we got so far.
Okay.
So we just built a fixture kind of off of the parts that you guys sent over earlier. This is kind of your current rear section. We've made everything with V-band clamps, so you guys, we can basically send you replacement parts.
Sweet.
And then this is just a dimensional sample. We'll get everything else squared away. But we wanted to see kind of how big a muffler we could fit on there and how big you guys want to go.
Wider the better. I know it's probably not the normal request, but
no, it's for what you're doing. It makes a lot of sense. Your exhaust is right behind your head.
Yeah,
it's terrible.
I gotta listen to it for 10 hours.
Yeah, exactly. So
at full chip. So we just unloaded the truck here. They're putting it on the lift. They're diving into it right now. But we're gonna leave this thing here for a couple days with them and let them do their magic. So kind of my wants were sound a little cooler, a little better. And then Ashley, I know I'm gonna get some hate for this, but I asked if we could make it a little quieter up on the top end because it's so loud when we're doing like 120 and just and when you're doing that for 9.5 hours, it gets a little thing. So they said that's their specialty. They're gonna make it sound good, give me a little more comfort in my hearing. So by the time I'm 30, I still have hearing. But yeah, got a little tour of everything. This is where they do all R&D in California. So yeah, pretty rad setup they got going here. And in 5 days, we're gonna come back and pick it up and then go run in the desert and see the difference. All right, so we just got out to Barstow where we're doing our testing today. The truck is fully wrapped in Borla for today's video shoot, photo shoot. It looks so good, but the exhaust looks even cooler. I didn't know they were gonna put my logo in it. Dude, it turned out so sweet. I'm like really excited to hear this thing. We just idled it around a little. Sounds pretty good, but I'm excited to really like get her on the, get her on the gas and let her throw some flames. Dude, the man, the myth, free beer. With the cowboy hat.
this should be fantastic.
What's up? He told me I'm not allowed to have one of the cowboy hats until I win a race.
We'll get you a gold one when you win.
Oh.
Hell yeah. When?
Pretty dope. Sounds good. I got all my wishes. I said I wanted it a little quieter inside the cab, but it sounded a little better on the outside, and they hit it right on the spot. Me and Mike Kim can talk a lot easier, but I mean, I haven't been outside the truck, but everyone says it sounds pretty good. So, yeah, it's a good day, dude. Testing out here, Barstow. Now we're trying a few things on the truck. It's like 100-something degrees. The nice part, when it's this hot, you leave your coffee out, it stays warm. Like, it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Guess what? My coffee's still warm.
That's foul, dude.
It's not foul, dude. It's
That's disgusting.
How's it disgusting, bro? Says the guy. Okay, when it's 8 a.m. and it's like 90 degrees. No, 90 degrees. And this man is eating a tuna sandwich, bro. That is foul. If you want to call me drinking coffee.
Wants to capture some jumps and some flames out the pipes.
Okay.
jumps. I'm trying to think of what.
Yeah, where do you think the best place is? And then I think getting up
Probably
the
down that road, right? That wash, right?
Yeah.
You
Coming out of the wash.
So, Jeep just down that dirt road, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Go.
That's a good lobber.
Yeah, I don't know. That's not very big. What's it look like outside, Ben?
That was pretty fast. That's pretty good.
He's on a cool watch.
Was it a whiteboard?
Yep. That's a Sharpie board.
Yeah.
I only do things permanent, bro.
Dude, you're blasting that jump pretty big, man.
Felt small with those Fox Live valve, dude.
Yeah.
Now you'd like bust over and you're just like it's literally like so anticlimactic. Like you're just, like that's literally how it feels inside. Like it's not even like a, it's literally just like hitting a bump in this going 10 miles an hour is way more violent than
Oh,
that.
no, we got down in that thing on the way out there,
Dude,
bro.
I'm like, hey Ben, meet us out there, take the film guy's Jeep, whatever. I look over, my freaking loaded down 550.
Hell yeah.
Dude, that Garmin. Dude, ready? Oof. Looks like I'm wearing
Shield
a
your
watch.
eyes, children.
Yeah.
Shield your eyes.
People always say you're not very tan, and then I pull my watch off and it's like, oh yeah.
What is that, a Raptor?
Yeah, built through my garage. Is that new Raptor R I heard about?
All right, that's a wrap on testing with Borla. We had the Fox guys out here. We had the whole shebang, dude. Free beer.
Yeah.
Like, these are kind of celebrities.
Woo!
Their presence, I mean, today just made it a lot better. But it was a good day. Learned some things on the race truck and made some cool content with Borla. So excited, and the truck sounds good. And I can hear better, which I like. Huh?
And Ben got a new hat.
Oh, dude, Ben got, oh, dude, Ben.
Like that thing?
Get that on camera.
Get me on camera, bro.
And now it is almost 4 o'clock on the dot. We said we were gonna try to leave by 4. It's 3:59, Jimmy. And me and Jimmy have an 8-hour drive. Plus a 1 hour, yeah, minimum of 8-hour drive. It's like 20-mile-an-hour winds, but it's gonna be awesome. And plus we lose an hour, so we're looking at 1 to 2 a.m. arrival in Utah. That's a wrap. Be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next week.